Hi everybody, this is Quincy from Limbpaw, here to do a quick review of some of the stickers that I've received from Printful.com. If you go to the Limbpaw Etsy store, you'll end up seeing a lot of these stickers on sale, and they are all being supplied by Printful.com. So this was the first time that I'd had the opportunity to do a test run with them myself. That's what I've done, and so far I am really amazed at these guys. This was they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. Apparently people are putting these type stickers on laptops and aqua flasks and I guess cars. That's what I did with one of mine. Was put it on a car. I'll show you pictures of that later. But I was needing to see if the quality really was, if it was worth the cost. The cost isn't that bad, especially not for the size. But they look good. They have a nice texture on them. I think I have some pictures that really show the texture a little bit better. I'll pull those up. And I was curious too about how they were shipping. So Printful.com is located in the country of Latvia, which is a pretty far, it's a good distance away. So I was kind of worried that there was going to be some shipping issues. Sure enough, I ordered these on August 11th, 2019, and I received them on August 24th, 2019. So it was about 2 weeks for me to receive them. Apparently Printful.com doesn't have the ability to print these currently in the US or Mexico. So any of the stickers that people are ordering are coming from over there. So you can imagine my surprise and delight whenever I saw that they were being shipped in these very heavy-duty folders. I thought this was very nice to see. This is hard cardboard. It screams security. It's clear that no one should be bunching this thing up or bending it to put it into a mailbox. It looks very secure. But for all those people who might be interested in using Printful, I think this is a good thing to point out. Is because Printful.com is a white label and company, and you can completely conceal their involvement by just having your branding on everything with that they create. These spaces that they have available for you are far more robust, perhaps, than what I thought they were going to be. This is a lot more space. It really does stand out whenever you get this get this delivered to you. So for anyone who's interested in using Printful, I would recommend make sure that you go into the packing slip options and do something nice right here for any potential customers that you have. And that same image will obviously be mimicked down here on the packing slip. The packing slip's nice, whatever, packing slip. So the package was really good. The sticker quality seems really nice. So far I've applied, I printed out a Pikachu and I've applied that to somebody's car. And I'll show you pictures of that right now. So the one thing that I think everyone should keep in mind whenever they're setting up stickers to be printed at Printful is that you're going to be shown a digital mock-up as you're setting up your PNG file for it to be printed. That digital mock-up is going to detail an outline around the sticker that is supposed to be your safe white area, or where the die line is actually going to be cut for the sticker. And what is important to keep in mind is that what it is showing you on the digital mock-up is not true to how the print is actually going to come out. Whenever you actually receive your print, you're going to end up finding that the white outline is actually much tighter, or a good deal tighter, to the edge of your image. And in this case, so this is coughing right here, the Pokemon coughing, for those who don't know. in the original design and based on the digital mock-up that I saw on the Printful website, all of these little black clouds were still supposed to be connected to the main coughing figure right here via white outlines intersecting each other. I hope that makes sense. So basically all of the black and the skeleton type stuff should have all been one sticker. But because the white outline is actually tighter than what was shown, these are now individual stickers, some of them. And that's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker or anything. It's just something to be aware of, that if you're counting on those white outlines as holding images together, it might not work out the way that you plan it to. In my case, what this is going to take for me to fix this is I can simply go back into that Printful website and then readjust the mock-up and perhaps even shrinking this guy down just a little bit so now those white outlines do intersect for real. But it's just something to keep in mind. Everybody's gonna have different little things that they're fighting. But if anything, it's a good reason to make sure that you do a mock-up test before you completely release stuff, because depending on how complex your image is, that might become really finicky. But other than that, this has just really been, I like the quality, I like the texture. I don't know if there's going to be any fading issues. I'm here in South Florida, and the sun is very, very bright and the atmosphere very muggy. So there might be some issues with the stickers staying on, and I can do an update for that here before too long, maybe in a month or two. I don't know how long a real sticker should last on a car, but we'll see. Other than that, this has been really, it's been a good experience, guys. I hope you've gotten a kick out of it. If you have, please hit the like button and consider hitting the subscribe and bell icon. It really helps the channel grow, and it would be great to have you on board. So, talk to you guys soon. Bye.